So hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Grayson and I'm in my final year of nursing school. I was supposed to do a vlog from last week, but I didn't get to film anything because I only went to classes like 2 times out of the week last week, so I wouldn't have anything for the vlog. And I realized that you guys are loving the school vlogs, so I will be doing more of those. It is September 23rd. I should have been at search class today, however it was raining this morning and there was a flash flood warning, and so they canceled class. A number of things I would have done: first, I've gone to the library to print. Secondly, I would have to go to SAS to pay some fees, so that would have been today. However, since I'm at home, I will try to finish my research project as well as try to study, because we are in the 4th week of school and mid-semesters are the 7th week, so that means I have 3 weeks to prepare. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. I don't know what else is going to take place after today. Fingers crossed that the weather keeps up and I'm able to go to school for the rest of the week. And thank you guys so much for subscribing. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Good morning. So it's clinical day. I'm basically ready. I'm supposed to reach for 7 and it's now 5:30. Hopefully I make it on time. I need a new watch because this one I realize it's not working from labs. But see y'all in the next clip. Good morning, guys. Apparently, I'm in the wrong dress code today. Yannick is not a good friend, you know. Yannick not to come and say, you know, uniform is supposed to wear today.
Yes, and I did not know until yesterday when we were on the one.
Well, I'm at a different hospital, so we don't have those conversations anymore. But the uniform don't make no sense still, because we're in a classroom and I'm like, right, I'm gonna learn regardless. Guys, I went and I paid you his money because them send me that chat and I'm eating now. So I don't want any problems when exam time come. And Jada school class, is she?
Check if the client is becoming. Yes.
Guys, my friend not met them Instagram yet, but she making products and selling them. Yeah, I forgot them. Yeah, people met the page. Guys, look at this, so cute. I can't even say go over to my friend Instagram because she don't have none. Soon time come now. I'm having a wrap. It's small? It looks small today. So this is the salad. Should be a wrap, but the wrap is not covering anything inside of this. Mine will look better.
We can also use the opportunity to do a thorough assessment of our patients.
So we're going to take off the compares and weights. I would be in gloves. I will check the feces and check the urine. Yes. So we would take this and wait. So may I use the weight from yesterday? This is 0.31 kg in weight. Alright, so we're taking off lock from the back. Just not taking so long. It's officially the end of the 4th week of school and the 1st week of my clinical rotations. As you guys know, I'm doing pediatrics and I only go on clinical wards 2 times out of the week, and I'm also at a different hospital than the one that I'm normally placed at. The experience is different or done differently at this hospital. It's a lot of writing, like charting stuff. Not saying that I didn't chart at other hospital, but like I'm charting more. So if I do stuff and write it in the nurse's notes, I have to go back and chart it on other stuff, like a lot of other stuff. So for instance, if I'm giving fluids, IV fluids at the other hospital, I'd normally just write it in the nurse's notes and you know, fill up this thing. But then there's this other requirement to like fill up another sheet for stuff that you do if you feed the patient. So basically whatever is in the nurse's notes is going on a paper in summary. For me, it's a lot. I'm not used to that, and it's the same 8 hours, so it just feels like a lot more work. Despite all of that, I am grateful for this new experience. As I am on this journey, it is good to have different experiences at different hospitals and how they do their stuff. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm having a lot of fun this semester. Kind of taking things a bit lightly, but not too lightly. Trying to have a balance between seriousness and unseriousness. I mean, they're telling us, oh, Span is around the corner and all of that. Yes, we do know that Span is around the corner, but at the same time, you need to have a little fun, a little lightness, and I'm really enjoying this semester so far. Pediatrics is like a specialty course, and to tell you the honest truth, I don't think I'm quite comfortable seeing sick children. It really breaks my heart, but somebody has to do it, and yeah, it's quite the experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Remember to subscribe. Bye.